Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rosmir D. Eufemiano from the Philippines. I'm 27 years old, single, and not married. I've graduated in college with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in English. After I graduated, I took my first job as a housekeeper and a nanny, also a private tutor for 1.5 years. As a nanny, I took care of the children, assisting in their dressing and helping in their homework and projects. I also maintain safe and clean home environment through regularly cleaning. In last year 2024, I took licensure examination for teachers and luckily I passed. I work also as elementary teacher for 1 year. In my teaching role, I created lesson plans and helped children learn, which taught me the patience and organization. These experiences allows me to manage both child care and household tasks efficiently. I have no experiences working overseas, though I am a first timer, but I've got experience taking care of my grandparents, which is 85 years old, and taking care also my niece on their young age. I have also experiences taking care of pets because I had my own cats, rabbits, and lovely dogs. I am reliable, caring, and dedicated, creating a positive home environment for your children. I am confident that I can bring these skills to your family and provide the support that you need. Thank you for considering my application. I am eager to bring my skills and experience to a new family in Hong Kong. I am a quick learner, and I promise that I will do my best to do my responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.